Hi guys, I'm Rhino. Welcome back to Screwshop. Today I'm here with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be talking about our Rhino concrete frame screws. Concrete screws, what are they all about? Concrete screws allow for quick installation without the need for any plugs. Simply drill a hole, remove any debris and fasten. Designed to replace traditional masonry fixings, our Rhino concrete screws can be used for fixing into concrete, brick, blockwork, stone and timber all in one solution. Used mainly for window and door frames, but also versatile for joinery, electrical and plumbing applications. Rhino concrete screws come with a Torx 30 head and a free driver bit. Locking ribs on the head help to stop the head from turning after installation. Serrations on the thread help the screw drive into the material. The high-low thread increases the speed you can insert the screw and assists with debris removal. Our Rhino concrete screws are strong and withstand higher loads, coming in at 7.5 diameter in various lengths. So that's our Rhino concrete frame screws. For more information or to see our other products, head over to www.screwshop.co.uk. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Ronnie and I'll see you next time.